Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namita. In this video, we are going to revise chapter number 4, Simple Equations from the old Ncert textbook, where children face a lot of issue with solving an equation. So I'll take various types of examples from the textbook and we will learn how to solve them. So, like we take first example as, we'll start from simple to complex. X minus 1 as 5. I'll just first recap that this is an equation. It has an equal to sign. It will have a variable, constant, right? X is a variable, numbers are the constant. Also, this side is known as LHS, left hand side, and on the right side of equal to is the RHS, that is right hand side, right? So our target is to find out the value of X. So we should separate X from, slowly we should remove other terms from X. So there is a rule. If we are taking any number from left side to right side or right to left, it may be vice versa too, the sign changes. And what happens? If it is positive, it becomes negative. If it is negative, it becomes positive. Okay, so that is one thing. If it is multiplication, it becomes division. Or if it is in division, it comes to multiplication sign. So with that basic knowledge, we'll start solving. Therefore, this is therefore symbol, 3 dots. Don't put equal to sign while solving this because there is already an equal to sign over here. So our target is to keep X here on the left hand side. And we take minus 1 to the right, so 5. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. 5 plus 1, therefore value of X is 6. First, what you should write, whatever is already there on the right hand side, RHS. That you write first and then bring the number which you are bringing from the LHS. So X is 6. Let us see one more question. Suppose it is Y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Okay. Now here, minus, on the right hand side there is minus sign. But don't worry about that. We did not change that. We'll keep by variable on this side. We put equal to sign. First we write minus 7, which is already on the right hand side. Don't change that sign. This is the mistake children do most of the time. Now you are bringing minus y, minus 4 this side. So minus 4 becomes plus 4. Okay. Don't change the sign of minus 7. Therefore, now you should remember the rules of integers, addition of integers. So two different sign means subtraction. So 7 minus 4 is 3. But put the sign of greater number, that is minus 3. So the answer will be minus 3. Clear? Now we'll take a different example wherein multiplication is involved. 3L is equal to 42. 3L means 3 times L, which means 3 multiplied by L. Multiplication sign you will not find. It will always be, the number and the variable will be written together without any sign. So you should understand that it is multiplication. So when you take 3 on the other side, multiplication becomes division. So you can write 42 divided by 3 or 42 upon 3. Okay, if it is in numerator, it goes in denominator. Then you simply divide 42 by 3, you get the value of L as 14. Okay. Now we'll see another example. Suppose it is given as P upon 7 is equal to 4. Okay. Now P upon 7 means the number is in the denominator. We need to keep P over here because we are finding the value of P is equal to, first write down what is already there on the RHS side, so 4, and then bring this 7 which is in denominator, it is in division, so it comes up and it gets multiplied. So multiply by 7. So the value of P will be 4 sevens are 28. Okay, these are the first basic sums which I have taken wherein all operations are involved. Okay, now we'll take a little different sums. Like suppose it is given as 4x is equal to 25. So this type of sum we already took, but still children get confused in this also. So I'll explain. 4x means in 4 into x. So x is equal to 25. First write down 25 as it is. X is already on LHS, 25 is on RHS. So we have not changed their position, so they will be written as it is. And we bring 4 down from numerator to denominator. Now here what happens, children get confused. They think that the answer is a fractional number. So answer can be a fractional number. Only the care you need to take is convert it into mixed form. So 6 fours are 24. 6 whole 1 upon 4. You can even write it in decimal form. But if it is an improper, convert it into mixed form. So the answers can be in the fractional form, it can be negative, it can be decimal answer in decimal. So don't worry about such things. Follow the steps properly. Now we'll take another type of sum wherein two operations, fractional numbers are there and two operations are involved, multiplication as well as division. Now here, children get scared with the fractional numbers. What should be done? Just write z as it is equal to 5 upon 4 as it is, because 5 upon 4 is already on that side. We are not changing its position. What are we doing over here? We will take 3. We need to separate the variable, isn't it? So we will take this 3 here. Now 3 is in division, so it goes in multiplication. So we write it here, multiplied by 3. Okay. 5 upon 4 we have written as it is, z as it is. We just brought 3 here. So 5 into 3. So that becomes 15 upon 4. 5 3s are 15 upon 4. And then just convert it into mixed form. So 4 3s are 12. 3 is the remainder. 3 whole 3 upon 4 is the answer. Here. Now we'll take some a little difficult one. This is from question number 3, 4.2. So I'll show you that 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. Okay, now you can see there are two numbers here, one with the variable, one is constant alone. So what we should do, we will first take the number which is alone without a variable on the other side. So we write 3n as it is. We cannot touch 3 right now. Is equal to 46 as it is, because 46 on the RHS side. Now what are we doing in this step? We are taking minus 2 here. So when we are shifting minus 2 becomes plus 2. Okay. So now first add it. 46 plus 2 becomes 48. Right. Now it has become simpler. We learned this type of sum. 3n means 3 into n. Therefore, n is equal to 48 divided by 3. It is in multiplication, so it goes in division. So 48 divided by 3. Therefore, n is equal to 16. 16 3s are 48. Clear? We'll take one different type of sum from the same question. This is question number C. 20p upon 3 is equal to 40. This is the question given. Now, here the fractional part is on the left hand side. So we need to separate it from p and we have to take it on the other side. So what you can do, you should remember the rule of reciprocal here. 20 upon 3. What is the, this is a fractional form, okay? So what is the reciprocal of 20 upon 3? The reciprocal is 3 upon 20. Okay. Reciprocal. So what we will do when we shift, we keep P over here and we shift 20 upon 3 and we write 40 also over here. First write down whose position we are not changing. So P as it is, 40 as it is. Now we are taking 20 upon 3 on the other side. So we write its reciprocal. 3 upon 20. Okay. Now you simplify. 20 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 20. You can take both of them together. So you can strike off zeros or you can cut 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore, P is equal to 6. Now we solve the same question in a different way. 20 upon 3P is equal to 40. I've taken the same question. Now we go slowly and we take, because some children they get confused with shifting the whole fractional number together. So you can go slowly. First we write 20P as it is and 40 as it is. Don't try to shift the number with the variable first. First shift the number which is a constant alone, no variable is there. So we take this 3 here, it is in denominator, it goes in numerator. That is, division becomes multiplication. Okay, now we don't touch this 40 into 3, we write as it is. Now what we will do, we can, now 20P means 20 into P. So that goes in division. Multiplication becomes division. Now it has become similar to what we did earlier. 0, 0, strike off, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore, P is equal to 6 is the answer. Right? Some children, they also multiply 40 into 3 and then divide it by 20. That will also be correct. It's not wrong. But if you use the cutting method, it is easier because first you multiply and then divide, it will be time consuming. Okay? So we have covered various types of equations, how to solve the equations in this video. Thank you.